In this video, I'll be taking you through 9 things I didn't do as an affiliate marketer. So it all started around 2023 when I was seeing this ad on affiliate marketing. I was coming across the ad on Facebook a lot. So I've been seeing how it has been changing people's lives. So I said, okay, let me give this a try. But here was the problem. I didn't actually have money to get the course. So although I had somebody that could afford the course, then I encouraged the person to get the course, which of course I tag along and we both studied the course together. But surprisingly for me, after going to the affiliate marketing game, everything didn't really turn out how the ad was explaining it. It seems the ad were too sugar coated. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through 9 things I learned late as an affiliate marketer. So stick around, make sure you don't miss any part of the video. Perhaps you might learn a thing or two. So the first thing I didn't do was having a clear niche. I didn't actually have a clear niche. In case you don't know what niche is more like is a category we should focus on. So I didn't have that. I was just literally all over the place, grabbing any product I could get my hands on and just trying to get people to purchase it. So if you're into affiliate marketing niche, it's very important you have a niche and make sure the niche you are choosing is something very, very in demand and something popular. So the second thing was not providing enough value. So think of it like you as a human, nobody really likes spending their money. Nobody wants to be sold to. Nobody wants to have that feeling that someone is trying to sell them something. So if you're an affiliate marketer, instead of you to just take out your product and ask people to buy, you can provide some kind of value. Then inside that value, you can ship in the product. Take this for instance, if you are selling a course on weight loss, instead of telling people buy this weight loss product, it's going to help you lose weight, you can say you can highlight their problem to them while suggesting your product as a solution. Think of it like this: you can create an article or make a video on 10 ways on how to lose fat quickly, or 10 ways to lose fat without going to the gym. You know, automatically people would want to know this because nobody wants to go through the whole stress of going to the gym, right? So after listing the whole 10 ways to lose fat, then at the end of the article or video, you can say something like, if you really want to lose weight really quick without going to the gym or without even having to go through all those 10 steps, you can easily get this course or get this diet ebook to help you lose weight in no time. Someone is most likely to buy that one because you've already provided them value. Now you've explained their problem to them, and now they believe that since you already know their problem, your book or your course is going to be a better solution because you already understand them. Because that is how human work. We tend to trust people that explains our problem more to us. That thing was we set unrealistic expectations. Well, I won't blame myself for this one because the ad actually sugarcoated everything for us. I could remember we had already started calculating how much we were making per week. I mean, I was literally waving goodbye to my 9 to 5. Thank God I didn't quit because I would have definitely go back. I would have definitely gone back. So do not set too much expectations. Don't keep your expectations too high. This was something I learned really, really late because if you set the expectations so high, this is a business you are building, it might take time for it to actually boom. So you need to give it time. Give it time. Go one step after. So I would say the fourth thing was insufficient or impatient testing. So of course I was just trying something new. This is more like a business that might take time to actually blossom. So I wasn't really doing the whole test when I thought I already have everything figured out instead of doing some tests. So what I would have done is that I would have got different products, then run a test on which one is actually working, what people were actually looking for, which products were actually in demand. But I didn't actually do that. I just grabbed any product I could get my hands on, then started pasting links. It got to some extent I even won Facebook ad. And although I got the click, but I didn't make a single sale. So make sure you do the testing and you are patient enough to check out the results, track everything you are doing. because just like they say, when you are not tracking, you are slacking or you are lacking. So make sure you track everything you are doing, and be patient enough to to go through the whole testing stage. So the fifth thing is poor products and audience alignment. For me, I wouldn't say my product was bad, but as for the audience alignment, I can't say much about that because, but you should know that aligning your products along with your audience is very, very important. Take this for instance, if you are selling a product on weight loss and you are going ahead to paste your link on to content creators, that is not going to convert well because those content creators, they are not interested in weight loss. So you need to make sure if you are selling a product on weight loss, you post your link or you put your product in front of people that are overweight, people that are interested in weight loss. But I didn't actually do this. I was just thinking that anybody could get the product, right? So just like they say, jack of all trades, or if you try to sell to everybody, you end up selling. Then the next thing I didn't do was I didn't treat it like a business. All I saw affiliate marketing then was like a side hustle that you can do alongside your business, but it's not like that. Affiliate marketing is actually a business that if you give your time into it, you might succeed. But I didn't actually think this one. I wasn't patient enough. I was just rushing. I mean, I just jump in, took joy, and go out of it. But to my surprise, it got me by surprise. I don't know if you guys correct, but don't do like that. Affiliate marketing is a business that might take time to blossom. Give it time, and you need to make sure every move you are taking, you are tracking it. Then you calculate your move as well. Unlike me, I was just looking for fast catch, just jump in, do everything, just do zigzag, then quickly jump out. Don't be like that. So the last thing I learned late was ineffective conversion optimization. What this means is that you need to know that whenever someone clicks on your link, is it going to take them to a website or a landing page? And make sure wherever they land, you are trying to convincing them more that the product is going to help them solve their problem. I think the ad I want the ad directly to a sales page, which wasn't that good. What I should have done was creating my own sales page or my own landing page. Just in case you don't know how to create a landing page, or just in case you don't know what is a landing page is a place that a link leads to whenever someone clicks it. So in case you don't know how to create a landing page, you can go learn on YouTube. Unlike me, I already have a copywriting and background knowledge, so that won't be a problem for me. And if you are using a website, make sure the article there or whatever is there is convincing the person more that your product is a very, very good fit. So I didn't have this in place. I think I used the landing page that the website gave to me instead of creating my own. So these are the 9 things I learned very late as an affiliate marketer. And make sure you don't make the same mistake. See you on the next one. Peace. Just in case you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and watch out for more.